After doing some theory part, then we will move on to that doubts in H.C. Verma.
Sir, Jaisha has raised his hand.
Yes, Jay. जय बोलो बेटा.
सर नहीं आया, मतलब नहीं समझ में आ रहा क्वेश्चन. एक बार
कल जो पढ़ा था उसमें डाउट है अभी? कल जो
हाँ
समझाया
सर.
था पोटेंशियल ग्रेडियंट.
सर वो लास्ट टॉपिक सिर्फ जो था ना, वो पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस इन यूनिफॉर्म इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड, उधर से सर नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम था ना, तो सिर्फ नोट्स लिख पाया हूँ पर समझने में प्रॉब्लम होगी तो नहीं हुआ.
अच्छा चलो ठीक है, मैं फिर से बता दे रहा हूँ. तो तुमने क्या लेक्चर रेफर नहीं किया यूट्यूब के ऊपर?
सर नहीं, फिर कल सारे लेक्चर्स के बाद मैथ्स और केमिस्ट्री का भी था तो वो कर रहा था, तो फिर इसलिए आज
मेरे को 2 व्हाट्सएप मैसेज कल आए थे रिगार्डिंग द डाउट्स finding the electric potential and potential energy associated with the point charge or point charges. So before we find the potential energy of the system of charges, let's first find out what is the potential difference between 2 points which are in the vicinity of the 2 points are in the vicinity of a point charge. So here you can see in the diagram, there is a point charge here. Yes. Now in the vicinity of this point charge, there are 2 points A and B, and you wish to find out the potential difference across these 2 points. Okay, so when you are moving along this path, which is shown by this brownish line, let us say during some instant it got displaced by a distance of ds. Okay, so it got displaced by a distance ds, and at that instant it makes an angle theta. With the position vector. What is the position vector? R, with respect to the point charge. With respect to the point charge, the electric field at this point will be radially outwards, because we are assuming that this charge is positive. So for a positive charge, electric field is always radially outward. Okay, that we already know. And the displacement is taking place in this direction at certain angle theta. Okay, now we have to find out the total potential difference for this path A to B. Okay, so this is what the situation is. Okay, now you guys can start writing it down. Then I'll explain one by one. Therefore, any displacement ds along any arbitrary point, okay, when you are going from point A to point B, it will produce a small elemental change dr, okay, in the direction of position vector r. Okay, and this is the radial distance at which electric field is being produced. Now, when you substitute all those values, you will get E dr. Okay, what you are going to get is ER dr. That means electric field times dr. Now you know that this k q will come out, it is a constant, and when you integrate dr, 1 upon r square with dr, आपके पास क्या बचेगा? K cube by r, and you have to substitute the limits of Ra to Rb. So this is the general expression for potential difference for a point charge. Okay, so this is the general expression that you should know. Now if I substitute the value of Ra as infinity or Rb as infinity, okay, then I'll get the expression of potential as Kq by R. Then I'll get the expression of potential as Kq by R. Is it okay? ये आपको समझ में आ गया तो आप लिख लीजिए. Then we will move on to HC or not. Which is for a point charge which is positive, Okay, for a point charge which is positive, the potential in its vicinity will be always positive, because if you keep any other point charge which is positive in that region of space, then it will be repelled. It will try to go away as far as possible from the source charge. So only at infinity it will have a potential to be equal to 0. However, if you have a negative charge as your source charge, then this expression of potential will become negative. Okay, this is the expression for potential, V equal to K Q by R. Now if your Q is negative, then potential is negative. And if you place any positive charge in its vicinity, it will experience attractive force. Okay, so if it is attracted and if it is free to move, it will definitely try to come as close as possible to the source charge, which is negative. Okay,
Sir,
so thereby it will always try to reduce its potential energy. The system always tries to configure itself in the least potential energy. So two oppositely charged bodies will try to come as close as possible, thereby reducing their potential energy of the system to be negative. अगर पॉजिटिव चार्ज है दोनों, तो वो दोनों एक दूसरे को रिपेल करके इन्फिनिटी तक सेपरेट हो जाएंगे. यस श्रेय बोलो बेटा, क्या डाउट है?
So it says that as it must be because the electric field of a point charge is conservative. I do not understand that point.
For that you have to refer previous lectures.
Okay, sir.
The integral of E dot ds is independent of the path between points A and B. What was the definition of potential and potential energy?